So today we'll create a client section with a grid component. First, let's create a clients component. Under the components folder, create a new file, clients.jsx. Let's create a functional component. So add export default function clients. Add return. Inside, add div with the class clients. Then add clients text for now. Let's import them in home.jsx. At the top, import clients from components/clients. Then at the bottom, add the clients tag. Check the preview and we can see the component. Now let's add all images using the grid layout. So open React Bootstrap, click Get Started, Layout, Grid. Copy the import of container, row and col and paste them at the top of clients component. Copy the container tag and paste them inside the div. These images should be clickable as well. So I will add clients data at the top. Here we have ID, logo and link properties. We can now use the map method to show the data. So cut the col tag, add curly braces, clients data.map, add data as a parameter and paste the col tag. Inside, add a tag. In href, add data.link in curly braces. To show the image, add an image tag. Add src attribute data.logo. Also add key attribute and add data.id. Then import the image at the top. Take the preview. At the moment, we can't see the image because both the background and image are white. So let's use CSS to fix them. Open home.scss. Add .clients. Here add background, $primary color, padding 50px 0. In the A tag, add transition, opacity 0.3 linear. Then in hover, add opacity 0.5. Check the preview. This time, it looked exactly the same as in the design. Great. This is the end of the session. In the next session, we'll create a footer using grid, list group and form component. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you for watching and see you soon.